Hey there and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being here. Please hit the subscribe button before you leave, and if you're a returning subscriber, if you haven't already, which at this point I don't know why you wouldn't have, hit that little bell down below for notifications on when I put up new videos. I pretty much upload 3 times a week at this point. So as you're already seeing from the title of the video, I have a very first in 2 different ways on this channel today. I can't believe it's taken me this long, but I am doing my first plus size Halloween haul, and I am also hauling from a very first in general from a little company called Dolls Kill. I don't typically shop there. There are a lot of pieces that I would say are kind of like out of my comfort zone, but I can definitely appreciate them for what they are. But I figured now was the perfect time to haul from a company like Dolls Kill because everything about their vibe just screams Halloween to me, and I knew this was the perfect opportunity. Even though there are a few pieces here that don't necessarily fall into the category of plus size Halloween costumes, I think a lot of what I'm hauling today can fit under that umbrella. Don't leave the video, don't exit out just yet, because I promise you, you're gonna want to hear me out. So many of these pieces are themed, and I feel like if you were kind of last minute Halloween shopping, or rather last minute putting together a costume, these are like really good pieces to have. I have a pretty giant epic box. I just need to show you how cool this box is. I'm keeping this for sure. Full of some goodies for you guys. I really cannot wait to dig in and show you what's in here, and also just like I needed to save this so you guys could see how cool this box is. Also quickly wanted to mention that I got this package sent to me, and within 2 days to my Canadian address it was sent, so that's pretty awesome in my opinion. Anyways, I'm not gonna make you guys wait any longer, so grab a snack or a good cup of hot joe or hot chocolate or whatever your vibe is this like fresh and cool October, and let's get started. Alright, so in usual fashion, I'm going to start with what I'm wearing, and maybe you have already been eyeing this piece, but what you can't tell from me sitting down is it's actually like a hoodie dress-ish. Is that the right way to explain it? But it is so cute. I don't know anything like this, and this is again kind of one of those things that it's not necessarily a costume, but I feel like it has such an obvious strong vibe that it could kind of be used for like a costume sort of last minute, and I feel like there's so many like aspects to it that could really work. I'm wearing this in a 3X, 4X, and I was a little bit like concerned that it wasn't going to fit me the way that I wanted to, and by fitting me the way that I wanted to, sometimes when I wear pieces like this, I find it's like always tighter on the belly, but then it like flares out around my legs because I am an apple shape. If you are new, I'm an apple shape. Hi, hello. And I did really like how this fit on me, and I really like it in general. It's this super comfortable like fleece fabric, so it's really nice and warm on my body, and I really like it because not only is it like super Halloween vibes and perfect for this time of year, and for sure you could wear it out, but this would be great for just being around the house as well if you want it to be like cozy and whatnot. It's got so many different aspects, and then like I said, you could definitely make this into a costume, because the best part I can't even see myself, but how cute is that? Like, I can't even. This is adorable. I love this so much. It's so comfy. I just want to like live in it. It's really comfortable. I like that it's a dress, because if I wanted to wear it out, which there's a very good chance that I will, I could just put some tights on underneath this, or some leggings, a pair of booties, and maybe like a deep lip, and it would just look really cute. I kind of wish I had a pair of like skeleton earrings or something, and I'm going to probably hunt those down because I think it would be like perfect for this look. It would really just tie it all together. All right, so the next piece in this haul is this nighty-esque thing, which I was expecting to be a little bit longer because this could kind of be like its own little costume. Why can I not remember her name? This could be like a really good piece for like an Anna Nicole Smith costume. Just get yourself a blonde wig and you're good to go, because they did have a pair of like pink shoes with the, you know, fur on it that would look so good together, and this just screams Anna Nicole Smith to me. Put on some like fake bling and like, you know, red lipstick or something and you're good. That would be so cute. I got this in a 2. Kind of regret getting it in a 2 because I'm fairly certain it went to like a 3 and a 4. I'm not quite sure. It's definitely much too short on me for it to be used as a costume, unfortunately. But in general, it makes like a really cute nightie, and it could make really cute lingerie in general, and I've always wanted to own like a little nightie like this. The only thing I will say is I do see that it's kind of coming up a little bit, which is a little bit scary, but I don't feel like it's coming up to the point that it's gonna rip. Okay, so next up, and I think the piece that I was most excited about getting, is this really cute basic black dress, but then it's got like a pumpkin face on it, which I don't own anything like this. Again, I feel like I'm really lacking in the like Halloween themed department for clothes. I just really like it because, again, it can be an outfit, it can be something that you wear around the house, or you can make it into a costume like super easily, or maybe not even so much a costume as like if you were going to a themed night and you didn't want to go in like your basic clothes, you just needed something that was like themed for the night. This would be like a really, really good piece to own. It's really basic. The fabric itself is pretty thin and pretty lightweight, but it's like also really comfortable. If you are a cold person though, definitely make sure you're bundling up over this. I mean, I don't imagine that you would wear this without a pair of tights and a jacket on. But if I were gonna put this in like an outfit, I would definitely try to find a pair of like orange knee highs and some like black fishnets and my big black bomber, and maybe an orange beret. I'm looking at my berets in the corner. I believe I'm wearing this one, yes, in a size 3X, 4X. It's a really good fit. I feel like maybe in the situation where like 3X, 4X was sold out, I probably would still be fine in a 1X, 2X, because it's got like a fair amount of stretch and it's like pretty loose fitting on the body. Again, that whole apple shape thing. It's a little bit snug around my belly, but then around my legs, it's like fine. Really, really like this one, and I can't wait to like style it in an outfit. Okay, so this next piece I am so excited to own because I've seen people with this purse and I've wanted it for so long. How cute is this? I mean, cute's not even the right word. Just how amazing is this piece? You can obviously see it looks like a book. Even the sides there look like book pages. And when I first got it, I was like trying to take this buckle off to open it, but it actually opens back here and then opens just like a basic purse. And then on the inside, which I haven't done yet, it comes with the strap to, you know, strap into place. But you can definitely hold this like a clutch, or you can put it like, you know, an actual bag. But I feel like I'm gonna play around with it because there are definitely a bunch of different ways that I want to play around with this, and I'm just so happy that I own it because I have definitely been eyeing, you know, bags like this for a really, really long time, and I'm so happy that Dolls Kill sent it because it's just everything. I don't even have words. It's also like really good quality and also like a decent sized bag. You can hold a decent amount of stuff in here. I feel like it's really convincing as a book. Like, I feel like in the right circumstances, people might actually think that this is like a book that you're carrying around with you. Okay, I wanted to save this one for last because you'll see why. I have been wanting this costume for probably 2 years now. Yeah, about 2 years, ever since the show came out. I got this dress, which probably looks familiar to you if you watch Stranger Things, which I just don't know who's not watching Stranger Things. This is the famous 11 dress from season 1. One of the first things I thought when I saw her wearing this dress was like, oh, like I would totally wear that on a regular basis. So I've kind of been on the hunt for this dress like in general, just because I love it, and I would totally wear it on like an everyday basis. I got this in a size 3X, and the one thing that I will say is the collar is a little bit fidgety. Like I might have to iron it down or something because it kind of like comes up when it's on my bust. Maybe it's not meant for like super busty people, but that's like kind of the experience I've had. And the actual like fabric itself is like very, very lightweight, but also like wrinkles really easily, so be mindful of that. I definitely have to like iron this or steam it or whatever before I take it out. I am really happy about this part of it because I feel like one of the hardest things to get as a plus size person is knee highs that work, and they came with the socks. The socks are what I feel makes this whole outfit, and I wasn't gonna try them on at first, but I was like, you know what, I have to tell you guys how they fit, because I know socks, knee-high socks specifically, as a plus size person or even somebody who has big calves, is like kind of the bane of our existence. But these beauties, I can't even tell, they fit so well. Like there's so much stretch, and I usually feel like when I put like knee-high socks on, I'm like really struggling to get it up, and then it's just so stretched out that it like doesn't even stay up anymore. Not the case with these. Like the whole thing has like an ample amount of stretch, and I was really, really impressed. I don't know if this is like Dolls Kill brand or I got this like wholesale from somebody else, but I need to hunt down who made these socks, and I need to strictly buy from them because these are really, really good, and I am almost certain that I'm going to wear them in like different outfits because like, hello, knee-high socks that work for me. Okay, you guys, I have to make this outro really quick because my camera battery is dying on me. Let me know what you think of the pieces that I got below. What are you guys planning on going as this year? I still need some ideas. Again, I want to give a huge thank you to Dolls Kill for sending me these pieces. I'm gonna have all the links in the description below, and yeah, that's about it. Anyways, you guys, don't forget you can find new videos from me every Wednesday and every Sunday, with a vlog on Friday, and new blog posts every Tuesday and every Thursday, and I'll see you next time. Bye!